Hi everyone, it's Shannon from StampendouslyShannon, just coming today to do another paper pumpkin unboxing. So this is the From the North Pole paper pumpkin kit, and it's from November of this year, so 2022. And you can see that it is super cute holiday themed. So it coordinates slightly with last month's. Last month's was cards, this month's is tags. So it has the same general holiday theme, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. So you can see that it comes in this special box. I plan on saving mine. I'm going to wrap presents inside of it. Super easy to put additional paper over the top of it. Looks really cute for those awkwardly shaped items like kids' toys and things. But it also could be a really cute little souvenir box if you're wanting to store handmade cards that people give to you for Christmas, etc. So if we open it up, the first thing we see is we have our cherry cobbler Stampin' Spot. Now, Stampin' Up! Will not repeat these Stampin' Spots for 12 months, so the next time you could get a cherry cobbler would be December of 2023. So it's a great way to grow your Stampin' Spot collection. These are fantastic for the Stamparatus. And also, just a quick note, the way to store them is upside down. So unlike Stampin' Up's, the big ink pads that Stampin' Up! Sells, these little guys actually is a true foam pad. And the special mechanism that Stampin' Up! Ink pads have, it actually stores the pad upside down. So when you store these, you'll want to make sure that they store upside down, so that way it'll preserve your ink in here. It won't all fall to the bottom. So store them upside down. And then this is your cherry cobbler. It's just a touch darker than my nails, but it's a really fun holiday, Christmassy color for sure. So we also have our little advertisement here. So you can see that these are the Santa sacks, and this actually coordinates with this kit. And the Santa sacks are, I think they're $4. I forget how many you get, but if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you are able to go online to StampenUp.com and you are able to purchase these. And of course, you can use them for other things. They coordinate really well with last month's kit. They also coordinate really well with several other stamp sets in the holiday mini catalog. But they, again, work super cute with these tags that I'm getting ready to show you. So I think they're $4, and I think you might get 8 or 10. I forget. It may be more, though. And then we also have on the back just a description for next month's Paper Pumpkin kit. And I'm pretty sure that it's birthday themed. Let's see. Different occasions. So it's create fun gift card holders for different occasions all year long with this versatile kit. So it's gift card holders, and those are fantastic because I always feel like for people people I maybe don't know as personally as I should or do, gift cards are a great option for them. But it does come with this cute little card add-on. So if you're not really a fan of giving out gift cards, then you could just put them as cards, and they'll be birthday themed, I think, but they also have some other ideas. And that is a super fun little box too, so lots of little sprinkles on there. So again, I do think it's geared towards birthday, but it sounds like it's going to have multiple different occasions available. And it is 16 card holders for each of 4 designs. Super fun. So getting back to our special holiday box, the October, November Paper Pumpkin kits are always my favorite to get. I genuinely love seeing what they have inside of them, and I genuinely love crafting with them. So let's look at our fun little stamp set here. So this is the stamp set. So we have our Express Delivery North Pole, and I am a sucker for the postage stamp kind of stuff, especially around the holidays. We have 2 from Merry Christmas. The 2 and from are perfect for these tags. Oh, no peeking. That's super fun. We've got this adorable little candy cane, Joy, from Santa, Open Me, and then Ho Ho Ho. And then this red dot here, which I'm not sure what that goes to yet, but maybe we'll figure, maybe it's just a polka dot. We're going to find out. Let's find out. So it comes wrapped in a piece of tissue paper. We'll move this off to the side. Today my dog is at my feet, so he is going to get the tissue paper rather than the cat. I'm going to move my special box off to the side and open this up. And again, I think so there's 3 different, I saw a little preview there. It's 3 different styles, 3 different designs. And I think you get to make, let's see, I think it's 12. looks like 12. Let's see. Yes, so it contains supplies for 12 tags. And down in the bottom left-hand corner on the back of the description, we have basic black, cherry cobbler, crumb cake, mint macaron, shaded spruce, and sweet sorbet. So those are where all of your coordinating colors will be hidden. And it shows you a picture of everything included. And then it also shows you some alternative ideas, things that you can do with your kit that maybe you wouldn't have thought of before if you hadn't watched that. So let's go ahead and see what else. So we have these adorable little designs. I love this candy cane one. That's so cute. And then especially this one too, this glittery glimmer green here. And I guess what color is that green? I think it's mint macaron. So we have that beautiful mint macaron, yeah, because that's shaded spruce up at the top. So it's like a little bit of a lighter green, and I'll show you what that looks like. As always, the instructions come in full color. So lots of good description about how to make it. It does have a ruler. Super fun. So let's set that off to the side and actually get into our supplies. So it feels like there's usually, oh, there they are. I was going to say, well, I don't know. Usually there's the little glue dots. So here's the glue dots. You got a full sheet of glue dots here. These are similar to the glue dots that you would buy from Stampin' Up, except for they have a film on both sides. So it's got this acrylic sheet, and then on the top it's got this little, like a little like coating on the top, so that way you can, it doesn't stick to everything. But you could certainly just replace that with regular glue dots. We've got a sheet of mini dimensionals, as always. And I feel like for these tags, we might use a lot of these. Sometimes I think I have tons of dimensionals left over. For this tag kit, I feel like I might use all or most of the dimensionals that they gave us. We've got this adorable mint macaron linen thread. I'm such a fan of the colorful linen thread that you get in these kits. They're so fun, and I don't have any mint macaron, so I'm excited to have that. And mint macaron is, to me, one of my favorite colors that I use kind of rarely. Like, I don't pull that one down very often. So it's exciting to have some thread in that color. Maybe that'll remind me to use it. And then here are our 3 tags. So we have these Holly Jolly ones, which match the box, right? The box that we just opened up. Exterior, so we've got 4 of that. We've got 4 of the brown, or I guess probably soft suede. Crumb cake pinstripes. And then we've got 4 of the candy cane stripes. Isn't that fun? And that is, of course, I'm pretty sure, yep, cherry cobbler, which is the color of our stamp pad. Super fun. And then we have, let's see, we have 2 sheets of these pieces. So we've got some scalloped circles. Now they're just plain circles, right? So they have a smooth edge, but they have this shaded spruce scalloping on there. So it adds a little bit of decoration without adding, you know, too much texture, especially on a card or a tag that will be attached to something. So it's already kind of 3D. We've got our Santa hat for our ho 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 tag. Let me move this over here so you can follow along while we're doing that. And then we have our happy holidays for you. And then 2 of our little tag toppers. Now this goes with one of the other tags. And so that's going to be for our, oh, I see. Okay, so actually the Holly Jolly tag and the candy cane pinstripe go to the candy cane tag here. And we must not have opened our other tag here yet. So we'll get there. But these little pieces here are little toppers, if you look really closely, are little toppers for our reindeer tag. So let's figure out where that piece is. Here we are. Okay, so we have, we're gonna skip around a little bit. So this is we have our glimmer tag here, glimmer banner. And that is so pretty. I'm hoping, oh yeah, it's showing up. I was gonna say, I'm hoping it shows how glittery that is, but it's fantastic because it doesn't really come off, right? So I know some people are scared of glitter because, you know, once you get it in one place, you'll never get it out. But this is glitter protected, right? So if you rub it a lot, maybe 1 or 2 pieces, but really nothing will come out. And then we have our white tags. Now this is the reindeer tag. So that was what we were missing before. And how you will do that is you are going to just punch these holes out real quick. And they're already perforated holes, so that makes it super fast and easy. So you put it together like that. We're going to punch one of these out, the little shaded spruce topper. And you would just line up all 3 of those, and voila, just like that. So that's what that will look like at the top. So I wanted to show that, since it might be kind of confusing if you get all these different pieces here. So that is how this tag here will go together. So you get 4 of each of those things, because obviously we're making 4 tags. We've got these little iridescent, pearlized kind of snowflakes. And then we've got, I love these so much, these adorable green glitter mint macaron snowflakes, which go with the ho 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 tag. So those are so cute. I really like these. So you get 4 of those too. And I don't know exactly what I would use this for, but I love glimmer paper. So I'm going to save this piece probably and see if I can't die cut a circle out of it right here in the middle, or maybe get some other shapes out of it. Same thing with this piece here. I don't know how thick the pieces are in between. Oh, they're pretty thin. Yeah, they're pretty thin. So I'm not sure if you could get too much out of that. You might be able to create like a layering piece. You can maybe just clip these pieces here, or actually this piece is even thicker, just a little bit. Well, anyway, so that's, I'm going to keep these probably and try to figure out if I can cut these out, because I'm actually not too sure if the glimmer paper that we have is in mint macaron or not. I don't think that it is, but I do really like this color. It's more of a softer green, and I think it's great. And then we have some banners. So we've got 5 of these banners, and this goes with the From Santa, so from the Ho 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 tag. Move this back over here. And then we've got these other little pieces here, and it's fun because they have little colors on the edges, right? So we've got right here, this is, I think that's real red. We've got cherry cobbler, mint macaron, and then we've got shaded spruce right here too. So super, super cute. I like that they have that little bit of color on the edge. And these are also pre-punched, and they have a basic black circle around them, I think. Let's see. Yep, basic black circle around the edge. So these will be for the candy cane tags here. So that's super fun. I really like this candy cane. I don't know. It's between the 3 of these. I think I like the candy cane and the reindeer tag the best. But you know what? I really like them all. And then we have our candy cane here. So these are, you know, obviously die cut candy canes. And we've got our little circle. And this little circle is meant to go behind the candy cane here. So just like that. All right. And then we have Ho Ho Ho. Now, this is something that I thought I would point out. So this Ho 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 is going to be in crumb cake. But if you look at the picture here, you can see that it has an outline in red. So you have this Ho 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 stamp here. So you'll put it in the cherry cobbler, and you're going to line it up with that Ho Ho Ho, and then it'll give you that outline in that cherry cobbler there. And if you have a Stamparatus, this is a great time for your Stamparatus, because I don't think it'll be too tricky to get it lined up. You know, once you have this on the block, and once it's, you know, once you are ready to do it and you've gotten it all lined up and you've got everything going, I don't think it'll be too tricky. But a Stamparatus will help. Another thing I thought I'd point out is where those iridescent snowflakes go, because I just saw. So I did see them originally on this tag, the reindeer tag, but I didn't see that little one peeking out behind that Santa hat. So actually there's 2 places, 2 of these tags that require those if you're going to make them exactly like Stampin' Up! Has designed here. Certainly you can make them however you like. So this little guy is pretty buried. I don't know if I'm going to put him there, because I would like to have those snowflakes as extras rather than hide him so deeply. We can also put another one maybe on our reindeer. We'll see what I end up doing. But, you know, I always look for ways to economize my crafting, right? So one of the things I think would economize it would be removing that iridescent snowflake and then keeping that for something else, which is great, because I have so many little bits and bobs that are left over from Stampin' Up's paper pumpkin kits, which I routinely use on other projects, right? So that is our kit today. So again, it comes with 4 tags of 3 designs for a total of 12 tags. We get this adorable stamp set and all of these die cuts, pretty glimmer pieces, and our adorable tags here. And our linen thread, all of our adhesive, and our Stampin' Spot. So this is a fantastic kit. I do think that Stampin' Up has refills. The way that that works is if you already have the kit, let me start with, if you're a subscriber, you are eligible to purchase past kits, extras of the current kit once they're released to Stampin' Up's website, and also you're eligible to purchase refills. And that can mean that, I just learned about Paper Pumpkin, so I'm going to sign up now. And that means that you could, if they have extra November kits, you could purchase this kit. Or you could purchase the refill and use your own stamp. So if they only have refill kits available, you can certainly just substitute it with a different stamp set. If you have any questions about that, let me know. But you could certainly just, use the stamps you already have and kind of fill it in, make it your own, make your cards and your stamps, your tags with whatever stamps you have at home if you decide to get the refill kit. Again, you have to be a subscriber, and then you would get to subscribe to this month's kit too, and you'd be eligible to buy all the add-ons. So the date for this particular Paper Pumpkin kit, for every Paper Pumpkin kit, is the 10th of the month. So in order to get this kit, you would have had to have subscribed by November 10th. In order to get the next kit, which is this birthday themed or all occasions themed gift card holder kit, you'll need to subscribe by the 10th of December of 2022. So there's lots to dissect inside of a Paper Pumpkin box. There's lots of fun things, lots of exciting pieces and ways that you can use them. And of course you have on the back of your instruction manual, you have alternative ideas. So I really love Paper Pumpkin kits. I think it inspires my creativity. And as someone who works full-time, this is a great way for me to get a little bit of creativity in without having to do too much brain power at the end of a really busy day. It's a great way to just kind of relieve a little bit of stress. So I would recommend it, especially for super busy people or people who like something that's quick and easy, but really beautiful at the end. So what I will leave you with is the new Stampin' Up catalogs are coming out. The new spring mini catalog, which is the January through June mini catalog. It is almost here, so if you are interested in receiving one of those, please reach out to me. I'm happy to send one of those to you for free of charge. I will also send you the annual catalog if you are interested in receiving an annual catalog and would like to receive one of those as well. So I hope that you have a very happy holidays. This may be the last time that I see you before then, but I hope you have a very happy holidays. Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!